Hi everyone, welcome to today's release CAPI meeting. Today is 28th of November 2023. Today we'll be cutting release candidate RC1, which is the last release candidate before 1.6.0 minor release. I hope you can see my screen. I'm already sharing it. So as usual, I'll ask once again from the CI team members if we are okay to go with release, as they are already confirmed. But once again, confirming before we go ahead.
Yes, we are okay for the release. Yep.
Thanks, Adel. Sure. Then I think we are. I didn't check the scan today. Let me double check it once again. Okay, all good. Then we already have a PR up. I'll share it on the chat in case you missed it. Please take a look. I did yesterday, I think, or today, and it seems it has been addressed already. Do we need to regenerate it, Guillermo? Do you know, or it should be fine as is?
It should be fine. Let me check if there had been any pull request merge in the release branch. But I addressed your comments, and I also removed the duplicated dependency entries.
Cool, thank you. So meanwhile, others in the call, you also can take a look, and if you find something, please comment. Otherwise, we'll be merging it soon. Yeah, this one is because I think the alphabetical order is already working. I'm not sure why it didn't take this into account. Probably it has this like one word documentation, but I'm not sure. Probably it needs to be checked.
Yeah. So I just checked, and there was a PR merged 4 hours ago. I'll send the link of the commit. So if we want to include that, then we need to regenerate. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna generate the output, and then I'm gonna look at the diff and then just add it manually, because if not, we need to do all the manual updates again, and that's gonna take a bit. So if you guys want, go take a look and see if I forgot something. And in the meantime, I'll go add this. Apologies, I didn't realize there was a new commit.
No problem. So meanwhile, we can review it, and once you have a diff, then you can push it as a, I don't know, second commit maybe, so that it's easier. And then once it's good, then we can move it. Okay, cool. Okay, this version looks good to me.
Okay, I just updated it. I added a new command so you can see the
Yeah, I was about to
diff.
comment. Yeah, sure.
If it looks good, let me know and I'll squash the commits.
Okay, so this is the only commit since we had the RC0. Am I understanding it correctly? Oh yeah.
Yes, yeah, there is
this
only one. Yes.
So one bug and another one is just literally. Okay. Yeah, just one question. Does it have to be capitalized? The cluster resource set? This one? Does it have to be capitalized?
Sorry.
The
What do
PR
you mean?
label. The PR label is like with small letters. That's what I was asking.
Yes. So what happens here is we have a prefix that is cluster resource set all capitalized. And what the release node tools does is if the PR type starts with the same word as the prefix, it just removes it. So it's not that it has capitalized the title, it's that it's adding a prefix and the title of the PR happens to have the same word. So it just removes it. But if there were more entries with cluster resource set, you will see the prefix with the same format with the capitalized. It's just this doesn't have any of them.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I probably confused it with cluster cattle, but cluster cattle is always with small. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
This looks good to me. And I was about to comment actually here, and you have some more changes that I missed. So please go ahead merging it.
All right, done. I just squashed it.
Let me take a final look.
Is everyone okay if I override the tests, the cluster API build main and cluster API verify main? Maybe I'll only the build main. Those are, they build just binaries, etc. So they're not really affected by this. And that way we don't need to wait 10 minutes here until that finishes.
Yeah, fine with that. Can someone LGTM actually from the team?
Yeah, I'll give it a quick LGTM.
Thank you.
Yeah, it seems that I can't override. So we just need to wait.
Yeah, it should be me administrator of the repo. I forgot that. I knew it. So as I remember, Guillermo, correct me if I'm wrong, last time when we had this issue with test extension binary inside the image, we agreed to do this, run this script before promoting the images to staging repository, right? So once this PR merges, we have to test that again, probably, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So we merge these, we let the jobs run, those images get built by Prow, and then before doing the promotion PR, or before merging the promotion PR, we just check the images.
Yeah, exactly. Actually, I was following up on that issue from Stefan, getting some tests. After reverting the PR, it seems to be fine. Like the extension binary is not there. But one strange thing is the problem doesn't exist in the release 1.4x images, even though we bigported that change into that release branch, and it was included in one of the 1.4x releases. I was hoping that the revert helps, and it does, at least for the main and 1.5 branches. But I'm still not sure about the release 1.4 branch situation, what is happening there, because let me probably open this. Just a second. So here's the thing. I was running the script and the tags with failure was 1.5.3 and beta 1 that were affected. And all the other tags were okay, including the 1.4x, basically, the ones that we released so far. The strange thing is why the 1.4.8 tag image is not affected, because if you see this release notes, that change is there. So this one, so it was backported to release 1.4, and it was included in 1.4.8, but in my test, I didn't see the wrong binary inside the image, which is strange, at least to me. So I didn't do any follow-up tests on this, but that's the only thing that I'm a bit worried. Otherwise, all other tags that we identified were like just these two. So let's see how it goes today when we run the test. Oh, another thing, since Michael is here, the cube builder tools, was it cube builder tools that we were waiting for release?
Yeah.
Yeah, I tried to ping wins. Probably we don't have still yet the release. And I'll try once again to approach him and ask for a release and use the rocket image at least for
Right.
the last release next time, hopefully. I just wanted to give update. I forgot completely about it.
No worries. Yeah, I had seen you ask too, so.
While we are waiting here, on the other note, I was planning to do a retrospective at the end of the release. So what do you folks think? Would it be fine with you if we do it next week, sometime after we do hopefully the final release? I just want to make it like right after, hopefully, or like soon after we have a release, because the next release cycle starts, and it's fine, but let's get it done soon, probably. If you don't mind, I'll bring it up to tomorrow's meeting as well, and we can discuss about the time. I'll probably send a doodle poll if that's okay, and we can agree on time and actually do it as part of the so next week Tuesday we should be doing the minor release on Tuesday, and if everyone is okay, we could do it day after on Wednesday, actually, when we have this normal release team meetings. But half an hour might not be enough, so 1 hour should be good. But yeah, I'll put the time also included in the doodle, so please vote. Yeah. It seems to have hold. Is it okay to unhold? Yes, no. Okay, unhold it. Hey folks, feel free to drop if you have to drop, because we can do the remaining stuff sync, I think, over the Slack. Once this is merged, the GitHub action should kick in, and we can test the images. And if everything is okay, then I'll just open a PR to promote the images, and that should be it. So I don't want to hold you here and just wait.
All right, I'll be around. So for Kat or anyone else, if something comes up, just ping me and I'll join the bridge again.
Sure. Yeah. Thanks, everyone.
Yeah, same here. Let me know about any announcements or anything.
Yeah.
I'll be ready.
I'll ping probably once it's out. Really.
Cool.
Yeah. Cool. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you, folks.
Bye. Thanks.